What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So here's another restaurant you have to go when you are in Singapore. In the price area. So anyway, I've been busy these few weeks. This week particularly, so I didn't vlog any, but I went out on a date and yeah, I wasn't even, planning on vlogging, but this restaurant blew my mind, so I had to make a video out of it. So here we go. So the restaurant goes by the name of Firangi Superstar. They say basically translate to foreign superstar. It's a Indian cuisine restaurant, and I'm a big fan of Indian food, right? I'm a big fan of curry, Myanmar is big for curry as well. So yeah, decided to go on a date to this restaurant. Like I said, I didn't plan to vlog. I didn't even bring my camera, to be honest. So yeah, all the shots that you're seeing in this vlog is taken by my iPhone. But anyway, this Indian restaurant, like before you walk in, it's just like a standout, a restaurant that just stands out from it's in Tanjong Pagar, where there is a ton of restaurants, bar here in Singapore, and that restaurant just stands out. And yeah, before we even go in, we know that, oh wow, it's gonna be good. Then we went in. Decoration is beautiful. Yeah, a lot of different style, a lot of different scars and swords and painting all over the wall. And yeah, they have different table settings, which is very interesting. They have private rooms. They have a really private place if you are a couple. Their whole setup, the whole place, the bar, everything is just amazing, right? So we only tried 4 dishes, but yeah, 4 dishes and some wine, some beers. And yeah, I'm going back there again to try the rest of their menu next month. This restaurant is a little bit expensive, I think. No, sorry, I apologize. I wouldn't say it's very expensive, but yeah, it's a little bit on high price. But yeah, this is a place where you should go for special occasions. Anyway, let me just read out the dishes that we had. One of them is the Hunter. Is pork. It's just shredded pork, some kind of a sweet sauce, and it comes with a naan, and yeah, some, I think from my taste, some ghee spread on top. And that was the first dish I had. It was just amazing, guys. That's one of the sharing platters that they have. Tiny plates, big taste. It's on the menu. It's just incredible, guys. And then the next one that we had was holy cow beef masala, crispy beef tongue. And then there's this bone where they bring out, and then I believe it's a beef bone, and there you just scrape out the bone marrow and the fats, and then you spread it on your naan. Oh, oh my god, like that's, oh my god, that's so good, so good. So like I've been only used to like Indian curry like from the food court, or like not so expensive restaurant where you order a few dishes then come like chicken tikka masala, that kind of like different kind of curries, fish curry, that kind of stuff. But I never had this like Indian food at this level, and this is just amazing. Ooh, that looks good. The fats.
Oh, this fat.
Yeah, that's fats. Like bone marrow fats. Nice. Wine expert, are you? Okay. And the third one that we have was, what was that? It is the, what's that? Back in the Saddle. Basically, most I think is like a roasted lamb, and the sauce, the curry that they put, it was not too heavy, not too strong. It was just balanced. When the lamb came out, it looks a little bit raw, and they didn't ask us for like whether we want like medium rare, medium, or like any options. It came out a little raw, and then we were like, oh, we were just like, should we ask them to change? But we give it a try. It looks raw, but it is not raw, and the tender, it's just so soft, so chewy, and wow. One of the best lamb that I've had. That looks very raw.
I will come back just for this.
So, yeah, me and Eunice, we both can't eat a lot. So yeah, this was just our third one, and then we went off with the dessert, which was the baba juman, some kind of like a bread, and then yeah, they top it off with sweet sauce and some alcohol, give us like a little bit of like burning performance on the bread, and yeah, it was incredible. By the way, if you guys love beer, I don't know what was the brand of the lager. It was pretty good, a little bit too hoppy, but if you guys like hoppy stuff, I think you will really appreciate that lager. Incredible beer, incredible wine, incredible service. They were taking photos of like every tables. Like they offer us to like, hey, you going to take a Polaroid photo. That was such a very, very nice touch. So yeah, the service there was amazing. When you go in, everyone greets you with a great smile, and then yeah, I think the total bill came down to around $250 SGD, but the whole experience was just worth it. So yeah, I just have to came onto YouTube and then talk about it. I wasn't expecting Indian food, Indian fine dining to be this good. So yeah, it was just my first experience, and yeah, one of the best. One of the best. I'm definitely going back there to, like, try out other menus, like other dishes. They highly recommended like the roasted octopus as well, which we just can't drink. I mean, can't eat anymore. So yeah. Crab rasam. I have no idea what that is. I only know what is rasam. I know crab.
Again, how many anniversaries do we have?
And then after that, we went off to another bar where it's already very popular for their cocktails. The decoration of the place is just a normal bar, but yeah, it's called Gibson. And yeah, the cocktails are just amazing. They've won like 50 best bar in Asia and in the world for like, I think twice already, 2019, 2019, and 2020, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, a really, really great bar if you guys love cocktails. And yeah, we just ended off with a few cocktails at the bar, and that is pretty much it. So yeah. Anyway, see, I'm just so excited to talk about the restaurant. Yeah, the food that I ate. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Didn't vlog a ton this week. Yeah, that's it for this week, I think. I still have Saturday, Sunday to go, but yeah, really, really busy, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys like the vlog. I hope you guys, go out there and try their food. It was incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.